Hello all, welcome to yet another video tutorial. In this video, we will learn about Trackle, which is Visru's easy to use and interactive flowcharting tool. Trackle helps business analysts, solution architects, project managers and engineers alike to map their ideas in minutes and collaborate with customers really quick. Unlike other flowcharting tools, Trackle uses a single universal shape for journey building, and this makes it user-friendly. Trackle journey is built by connecting blocks, each block representing a unique step in the process flow. Trackle is highly interactive as you can connect, modify, remove or reinsert blocks in the process flow path. You can add decision-making steps, notes, attachments and more, and this way Trackle helps you to collaborate as you build your process flow journey. Once you build, you can share the journey to multiple users. You can also simulate and test your journey in real time. Let us understand more about Trackle and learn how to use it. You can access Trackle from the URL trackle.ai. You have a sign in button here. Go ahead and click it. If you are a new user, you need to sign up and register first. So click sign up here. It is very easy to sign up and register with Trackle. You just need to provide your name and email ID, and on clicking sign up, you will receive an invitation email which will have the link to reset the password for your account. You can click on the link, reset your password and then sign into Trackle. Here I have already registered with Trackle, so let me sign in with my credentials. This is the home page where you can see all the journeys that you build. You can import a journey from an external platform like Lucidchart or import from templates. If you click Make a Copy, the journey framework gets added to your dashboard and you can modify it. To build a new journey, click here. Give a name for your new journey. Select the type of journey and select a status if any. On saving the details, you enter the Journey Studio where you build your journey. Now these are the steps of your journey to start with. Here as an example, let me build a journey for a ticketing system where users can add tickets, view tickets and assign tickets. Here two personas are involved, admin and user. Let me click on the first step. I am adding the first step as user login. Once a user logs in, he has two options. Either he can go to My Tickets, where he can view all the tickets assigned to him, or he can go to Case Tracker, where he can view all the tickets raised. You can see that I have added the options within square brackets. As I had mentioned earlier, the entire journey can be viewed in chat. So when I give the options within square brackets, these options get displayed as buttons in chat. You can click on a button and proceed to the next step. We will come to this later on in this video. So now let me click Save. I am deleting this step for the time being. Click on the plus icon to add a new step. You can either add a direct step or a multi-conditional step. Here I need to add a multi-conditional step as the user has got two options to proceed. So let me click here. Enter My Tickets and give the description here. You can tag key steps in the process using the hash symbol. Here I am tagging my tickets. When you tag keywords, see that you don't use space. Here I have used underscore instead. Tagging is helpful when you share the journey to a new user. The new user can quickly identify the key steps in the process. You can tag personas also using the @ symbol. The My Tickets page can be viewed by both admin and user, so I am tagging them both here. While tagging personas also, see that you don't use space. On the My Tickets page, the admin and user need to have the options to add, delete and download tickets. I am adding them here. Now click the plus icon here to add the second option. Here enter case tracker and give the description. Here I am tagging case tracker and also tagging the two personas. Now click save. Let me add the next steps now. It is not necessary that you always click on the plus icon to add a new step. You can add a step separately and then connect it to whichever block you want. Let us see how. Just right click, select add step. Now click on the step. The next step is to add tickets. Here I am tagging my tickets and the two personas also. Click save. After you create the step, just connect the blocks like this. Let me add the next step now. Here also I am tagging my tickets and the two personas. Click save and connect the blocks. Let me add the third step, that is to download tickets. I'm tagging my tickets and the two personas also. Click save and connect the two blocks. You can see that this has become a decision step now. If you delete two of these steps, then it becomes a direct step. So you can see that it is very easy to connect and disconnect blocks and build a journey in Trackle. If you want to view the journey in chat, you need to add user response for each of these steps. In this case, user response is the action that the user takes, that is add, delete or download tickets. Let me add the user response for each of these steps now. Here it is add. You need to make sure that the user response you enter is exactly same as the option that you provided in the previous step. For the next step, it is delete. And here it is download. Coming to case tracker, The next step is to assign tickets. I'm tagging case tracker. Assigning tickets is done by the admin, so I am tagging admin here. Now click save. The last step is to address the tickets. I'm tagging case tracker and the two personas. Now save the details. The journey is now complete. You can add notes corresponding to any step in the journey. For that, click on the notes icon. Type your comment here. You can attach files or images and then click post. Your comment gets added here. You can delete a step by clicking on this delete icon. Now if you want to comment on the entire journey, you can go to journey discussion here. The discussion panel gets opened. You can enter user emails to assign the journey. You can set due dates. You can type your comment here, attach files or images and then post them. Now here you can search for tagged keywords. For example, I'm searching for my tickets. You can see that the related blocks get highlighted. Similarly, you can search for persona also. And Trackle shows you the user journey. Now you can view the entire journey in chat. For that, click on this Run button. The chat panel is displayed. You can see the options here. You can click on a button and proceed to the next step. If there are no buttons, you can type a response and chat will show you the next step. Here, let me click on Add. You can see the complete journey here. If you want to view the journey from an intermediate step, right click on the step, click Set Start Point and then click Run. You can view the journey here. You can view the complete process flow journey here. So far we have seen how to build a journey and how to test a journey. Now let us move on to some additional functionalities of Trackle. Trackle helps you to calculate your budget for a particular process journey based on the hours of work and cost per hour you set for the journey. You can give an estimated time to complete each of these steps. Let us see how. Click on a block. Go to Advanced Settings. Here you have the option to give an estimated time. For example, I am giving as 6 hours. Now click Save. Click on the next block. Go to Advanced Settings and give the number of hours here. Let me specify the number of hours for rest of the steps now. Now click here and go to Settings. Choose the currency. enable budget, and enter the cost. So now you have the total estimated hours of work and cost per hour of work. This way you can calculate your budget. You can get an analytics report of your budget calculation. For that, click here and go to View Report. You can find the detailed report here. You can share the Trackle journey with any number of users. For that, click Share. Enter the email ID of the user here. You can set two permissions for the user. View, where the user can only view and not edit the journey, and Edit, where the user can view, edit and modify the journey. So set the permission and click Add. The new user will get an email that the Trackle journey has been shared. If you click here and choose the option Embed, you have the option to display the chat on a button click within an internal dashboard or in an external application. You just need to copy the code and paste it on an HTML card. You can scan the QR code here to access and run the chat on your mobile. You have the option to download the journey as a PDF. For that, click here and go to Export to PDF. The PDF will have all the details of the journey, including the steps of the journey, list of users assigned to, as well as the budget report. Coming to the options here at the bottom, if you click Lock Canvas, you can hold all the blocks and move the entire canvas without moving the blocks. You can add sticky notes by clicking on this icon. Type your note here. And click Save. You can find the note here. If you want to insert a new block in between any of these blocks, instead of clicking and moving each block, you can click Multi-Select Mode here and move multiple blocks and then insert the new block wherever required. Now, if you go to Journeys, you can find the journey that we have just built. From here, you can edit the journey name, journey type or status. You can create a copy or clone the journey. You can also delete the journey from here. If you delete the journey, it is moved to the archive menu. If you click Community, you can find a lot of templates. Moving on to the next menu. In the estimation dashboard, you can search for tagged keywords or persona. You can also search by status or by journey name. Let me show you an example. The estimation dashboard shows all the steps where this particular tag has been used and the budget estimation. Finally, you have an FAQ section where you can find the answers to some common queries about Trackle. So that's all for this session. Hope this session was informative. Thank you for watching.